This is the TH3D Easy Neo 220 V1. It's essentially just an LED light bar that you can hook up to your 3D printer, but it's actually a little bit more than that. It runs off something known as Neopixel. It's a configurable LED light bar that allows you to do a number of fun things. By utilizing some simple T-nuts, it bolts up very easily to just about any extrusion. These aren't just white LEDs. They are RGB LEDs. So you can make them whatever color you want. See, we got your greens, we got your reds, and we got your blues, and pretty much every color in between. Now the beauty about this LED bar is that it'll work with most motherboards out there. It simply comes down and plugs into the RGB header on the motherboard. In this case, it's a big TreeTech SKR3EZ. Now, in order to get Neopixel working, it's more complicated than just plugging it in and then things just doing stuff. We have to configure Neopixel. So to do that, first we have to go and look at the configuration settings in the Clipper documentation. It has a section specifically for Neopixel. This section right here is what we need to copy into our printer.config file. So to go over here, click on this button, come back to your Clipper installation, go to Machine, and find your printer.cfg file. In here, you're going to find some place to paste this stuff that we got from the Clipper doc. Now I've already done this, so we're going to talk about what it is we need to do to make this work. We need to first identify the data pin for the RGB. Looking at the schematic that Big TreeTech provides, we can see that the RGB header's data pin is PE6. So if we go back to our printer.config, we would type in PE6. And then we also have to tell it how many LEDs are inside of this Neopixel board, which in our case, for the TH3D component that we bought, it's 15. From there, you can save and restart. Now when you come back to your Clipper installation, you'll find a section dedicated to Neopixel. And from here, you can choose whatever color you want, whatever intensity you want. So if we want blue, just do that. And you can see the lights are blue on our webcam. And if we want to change it, simple. Boom. Done. Of course, we can't forget the very powerful thing about Clipper, configuring macros. You can do fun things with your LED light bar. It's not limited to just being an RGB light. You can do cool stuff. The options are limitless, and if you can program, the world is your oyster. So for $25, I think this light bar is perfect for my needs.